Hi, my name's Liam Rogan. I'm here at CXPN today.
Hey guys, it's Yusuf from Content Guru.
Hi, my name is Edward Winfield. I'm the Director of Global Partnerships here at Content Guru,
So today we're here at CXPN,
which is the public sector network event in London.
and I really love these sorts of days because it's a great way for us to get out and to actually start meeting with a lot of the public sector organisations that I work with day to day.
It's been fantastic to speak to some existing clients.
Speaking to all sorts from local gov all the way through to central gov. It's been an exciting day, loads of conversations, all about personalisation and digital change.
It's fantastic to see a lot of the new technologies on display here.
We're talking to local and central government organisations about the challenges that they face. We've also delivered a keynote talk at the start of the day, talking about the challenges of applying AI, but also how it can really help address some of the budgetary constraints and efficiency challenges and customer experience challenges in the public sector.
What's really exciting is that we're able to come along and showcase some of the innovative work that we've been doing as well. We're able to show and share some of the stories that we've had of our successes and talk about the great work that our customers have been doing with Content Guru and Storm.
And we've spoken to the whole delegation around the excellent work we're doing with the DVLA, who have both increased their CSAT scores as well as their own employee scores. So overall, it's been a really good event.